Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Fiverr application on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bluestacks.com and press enter. This is an Android emulator that you can use in order to run the Android version of the Fiverr app on your device. Click on the download button and this will download the installer for BlueStacks. Once the installer is downloaded, go ahead and click on it to open it up and then click through the next buttons to install BlueStacks on your system. Once it is installed, go ahead and open it up and now you can open the app player in order to access your Android home screen. Click on System Apps and then click on the Play Store icon and now log into your Google account in order to log into Google Play Store. Once you have been logged in, you can simply click on the search box and then type in Fiverr and start your search. Once you find the Fiverr application, tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Fiverr app on your PC. Wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when it is done, you will see the open button that you can click on in order to start using Fiverr on your PC right away. Once the installation is done, a shortcut will also be created on your desktop, which you can double click on in order to open up the Fiverr application directly. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Fiverr application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.